Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and my favorite kind of activity is one that is fun, but also allows my son to learn. These pattern blocks from LOVESTOWN have allowed him to do both and have had so much fun doing it. This set is awesome because it comes with 230 different awesome wooden blocks that allow the child to not only learn shapes, but also use their imagination and create different patterns. It comes with 6 different shapes in awesome, really bright and vibrant colors. I love all of these actually fit together and all of the angles match up really nicely so that the child can create whatever they desire. This set also comes with a variety of different pattern cards, which have a varying level of difficulty. The best part with these blocks is, of course, when the child starts creating things on their own. I love that my son can just grab these and start creating whatever he wants. We had a blast just creating whatever came to mind to see what blocks and colors looked well together and what matched up and which ones we liked the best, which was so much fun for the two of us. I appreciate the design of these wooden blocks too. They are extremely smooth and just the right size for my son's hand. I love that they're all a variety of colors, which make it really inviting and fun for my little boy too. So if you're looking for a nice, quality, fun learning set for your little one, I would check out this wooden pattern block set from LOVESTOWN. But that's just my point of view.